In a recent survey conducted by us, we found that 62.3% of the 830 people who responded were eager to adopt an indie breed.
एक दिन मैं और मेरी बेटी रास्ते से जा रहे थे तो देखा कि बहुत सारे डॉगीज ने घेर के कोई एक छोटा सा पपी को बहुत डरा रहे हैं। तो हम लोगों ने कुछ ना सोच के उसको उठा लिया और घर पर लेके आए और शी वाज बैडली वुंडेड। सो हमने सोचा कि उसकी घाव भर जाने पर हम लोग उसको रास्ते में छोड़ देंगे सेफ जगह पर, लेकिन ऐसा हो नहीं सका। शी इज नाउ आवर लाइफ, आवर लव, एंड दिस इज अनकंडीशनल लव फॉर अस।
We have listed the names and the contact details of the user organizations in Delhi NCR, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune and Mumbai so that the users can easily connect with them.
According to a report compiled by the Federation of Indian Animal Protection Organization, in years between 2010 to 20, approximately 5 lakh animals were victims of crimes committed by humans.
Animal abuse is one of the major problems in India. The states go through a lot of trauma sometimes, which they do not deserve at all, and it is a shame to see these innocent, voiceless creatures go through it.
Many vigilant citizens wish to take a step against animal cruelty, but they often encounter problems while accessing the contact details of the nearby helpline. Our app solves this problem by providing helpline numbers where users can report an abuse and help us in eliminating animal cruelty.
I adopted him a few months ago, getting him vaccinated on a regular basis as it is required for all pets. After a while, we decided to move and got his vaccination records misplaced in that process. It became a problem and we decided to have his litter and required her previous vaccination records for the same.
Having an up-to-date vaccination booklet really helps in these cases. To facilitate this, we have created a feature in our app that will allow the users to store all the necessary information about the vaccines administered to their pets.
We all love animals and they never fail to make us happy. And this is the essence of animal-assisted therapy.
Thus, we have provided lists of centers from which people can avail these services along with their necessary details.
That's why we created Aveksha.
Paying attention to the wellness of our furry and feathery friends is very important. Hence, we have curated lists of veterinary services with an emphasis on sterilization programs along with pet-friendly cafes and pampering and grooming services.
People who are willing to volunteer at welfare organizations, cafes or even animal shelters can reach out to them through the Volunteer Here feature.
Events like pet play dates, pamper sessions, sterilization drives, and seminars are conducted by the organizations nowadays. On logging in as an organization, the organizer will be able to add upcoming events which the users will be able to view.
By clicking on the online shopping feature, users can access a list of Instagram stores and online websites from where they can explore an eclectic variety of pet accessories and supplies.
Aveksha is a non-profit venture and it aims to provide social service. The operational costs can be recovered through crowdfunding and fiscal sponsorships, and the donations can be recovered through CSR initiatives by the companies and in-app ad and subscription. 30% of the annual budget will be spent on advertising and marketing.
In future, we plan to send informative notifications about dogs, cats and birds, add a community page, expand our reach and cover more cities of India, add more commonly used Indian languages, add a voice recognition assistant which will guide the users to various features of Aveksha.
There is this group of 5 girls, 5 super angels I'd rather call them, and they're working really hard to identify these gaps and plug them.
I wish Aveksha all the very best. I think they've done an amazing job.
Lastly, we would like to thank our school, our mentors and Technovation Global for giving us this wonderful opportunity.
So let us learn to coexist with
Bell, bark and beat.